Namaste, myself Ganesh, social science teacher. Today we learn 10th class standard lesson. The number of the lesson is 4th. Name of the lesson is Climate of India. This is my part 2nd of the lesson. In that part 1 we discussed about the differences between weather and climatical condition, and the second objective which was discussed in part 1, that is climographs. The two objectives plus next latitude relationship also we discussed in that part 1. Okay, this is part 2 is my continuation part of this lesson. Let us learn this lesson. Here, factors influencing climate. Here we begin with the objective of this lesson, land and water relation. So land is a good conductor of heat, we know that, and whereas land water receives heat slowly, and water loses heat slowly. Here we understand that it is a inverse proportion is taking place here. Okay, land is a good conductor of heat. We know from the morning onwards, from 8 to 5 o'clock, that land gets temperated, get heated, land gets heated, then immediately after 6 o'clock it is going to be loses the temperature. We experience these things. Okay, see, this is the one of the factor which is influencing on climatical condition of India. Okay, we go for next one. See, by seeing of this picture we can understand. Here sun is hitting in this area, land. So due to sunshine, here what happened? The air that this entire land is became heated. So due to sunshine, the this here what happened, low pressure belt will be recorded, low pressure will be recorded. So what is the formula here? Wherever the low pressure belt is happened, there automatically high cool breezes and come and occupy this area. That is the principle, already we know that one. So low pressure belt, it is happened due to sunshine. Why? What is mean by pressure? Pressure means what, Nana? Low pressure means what? Pressure means the air force which is exerting on the surface of the earth. The air force which is exerting on the surface of the earth due to its force. So that is called as what? Pressure. So here low pressure is, why low pressure is happening? Because of due to sunshine, the air molecules, they are get energized and they evaporated, they escaped from that area. So we can see there is no clouds at all in low pressure belt areas. Then immediately what will happen? These cool sea breezes, or some cool breezes which are coming from the high pressure areas, and they come and occupy this area and make this area comfort. So if this thing is not happening, what will happen on the surface of the earth? No human can exist. So this is a wonderful feature of land and water relation. These are now see here, now second one, see here what happened, cool and land land. See, cool and land breeze, cool land breeze is moving from where to where? See, in night warm air is taking place in where? On the water. What I said here, land gets heat fastly, loses heat fastly, whereas water getting slowly heat. Okay, water loses heat slowly. So here, when here morning here happened, low pressure is happened in land. Okay, night low pressure is taking place in water. So here this is the inversion proportion is taking place here. We can understand by seeing of this picture. So this is the cause to happen in India, for what I mean, in India here, monsoons are taking place due to this reason only, because of land. See, in the month of March to June, in the month of March to June, here low pressure will be recorded in Asian subcontinent. So what has happened here? Land is getting low pressure, then immediately high pressure belts they come along with plenty of water bodies, and they turn after crossing the equator toward Indian climate, and they pour plenty of water body in this region. That you have to understand. Okay, this is the main cause to happen monsoons in India. Now pressure. Pressure, high pressure moves to low pressure. Already we have seen this slide, before slide. High pressure is moving to low pressure area, and they are occupying, and they are making them comfort. Because of low pressure means what? See, there is no water bodies, there is no cloudy area due to sunshine. Then immediately entire the day, due to sunshine, which type of pressure will be recorded? Low pressure will be recorded. Now evening, what happened? That low pressure should be occupied by high pressure wind forces. Okay, that is why we are comfortable, we are getting comforts with this type of wind forces. Now next, now we able to see here. See, the globe is the earth is moving from west to east direction. It is moving from west where to where? West to east direction. India is existing in northern hemisphere. India is existing where? India is existing northern hemisphere. See, here we can understand that. Okay, where is the low pressure area will be recorded? See here, imagine here sun is there. Okay, due to sun, see, sun rays is directly hitting this area. Sun rays is directly hitting these areas. So wherever the sun rays are getting, that region is getting what happen? Low pressure belt. Okay, due to heat of sunshine directly they are hitting. But India is existing, just the southern part of India is closer to the equator. So that is why the southern part of India gets which type of climate? Warm type of climate. Okay, now according to your content, India is existing northeast trade winds. These are all trade winds, nana. Wind means what? Better, wind is nothing but it is a movement of the air. Movement of the air is called as what? Wind force. Okay, now India is existing northeast trade wind, between northeast trade wind. That you have to understand. India is existing in north. This is what? Northeast trade wind. So here we could see here India. Okay, now I write here India getting some wind forces which are coming from the northeast trade winds. So this is that is why you can we can understand that in the in the north part of India we get some jet streams. Jet streams, we are getting jet streams due to northeast trade winds. That you remember. What will happen? Jet streams, they are blowing, that jet streams they are blowing with the speed of 184 kilometers, it seems. 184 kilometers. So that we can understand, north part of Indians, they are getting a lot of disturbance with this type of jet streams. So this is also one of the climatical effect which is affecting on Indian climate. Okay. Upper atmospheric circulation. The subtropical high pressure belt gives rise to permanent winds. They blow toward the equatorial region. Okay, low pressure belt by reflecting toward the west called as what? Trade winds. Now before slide we have seen the globe, how it is moving like that. So India, where is India existing? Just once you just one more time just you check here. So India is existing in northern hemisphere. That too, India is affecting with what? See, the northeast trade winds, already we know that northeast trade winds. This is what northeast trade winds. So where the subtropical pressure belts are there, here subtropical pressure belts are there. What is there? What they are doing? The subtropical high pressure belt give chance to form permanent winds. That is important. Okay, these are giving permanent, these are giving permanent winds which are blowing over India. So due to this one due to this type of wind forces, we are getting jet streams that we have seen. Once you read here, subtropical high pressure belt gives rise to permanent winds. They blow toward the equatorial low pressure. This is what already I have shown you. This is what low pressure area. They are moving this direction, Anna. They are moving this direction. Okay, they are moving in this direction. Okay, trade, this word is derived from where? German language. Trade means track. This is half mark, surely will come here. What is this? Trade means tracked, German word. Okay, India lies in the belt of northeast trade winds. Okay, Indian climate is affected with the upper currents are known as what? Jet streams. Already I told you last slide, jet stream speed is 184 kilometers. Now we continue these things in next slide, Nana. Next slide. Okay, Nana. Okay, thank you. Next we will continue these topics for next video. Okay, Nana. Okay. Okay, and okay, thank you. Okay, until wait, Nana, we will we will continue the next video. Thank you.